Hello children, welcome to Social Science, Term 3, Unit 3, Rights and Duties of Children. Let's go into the video. Children, last class we discussed about some information on right to development. Right to development. Every child has the right to go to school and develop life skill. Every child has the right to go to school and develop life skills. Today we discuss about right to development. Once again we discuss about right to development. Mitra, do you know that coming to school is your right? Do you know that no one can stop you from getting admission in a government school?
Really? Near my house, I see some children not going to school.
Yes, you can see. But all children below 14 years have the right to go to school. Okay? But all children below 14 years have the right to go to school. The government is responsible to providing free education to all. The government is responsible to providing free education to all.
Is it so? I will convey this to their parents. Maybe I can bring them to school tomorrow.
That's great, Mitra. Some information on child labor. UNICEF defines a child as anyone under the age of 8. Some causes of child labor: poverty and gross inequality. What is mean by poverty? வறுமையினால் நிறைய பிள்ளைங்களை வந்து வேலைக்கு அனுப்புகிறாங்க. ஓகே. அன்ஜஸ்ட் இன்கம் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் ஆர் லேண்ட் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன். வருமானம் கரெக்டாக இல்லாதால், மைக்ரேஷன், ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு வரனால, ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் கல்ச்சர் ப்ராக்டிசஸ். சில கல்ச்சரில் வந்து அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, 8 வயசுக்கு மேலே பிள்ளைங்கள படிக்க வைக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி கல்ச்சர். அடல்ட் அன்எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட், வேலை வாய்ப்பின்மை. புவர் அண்ட் இன்அடெக்வேட் எஜுகேஷன், படிக்காமல் இருக்கிறது, ரொம்ப ஏழ்மையான நிலையில் இருக்கிறது. டிசைர் ஃபார் சீப் கன்சியூமர் குட்ஸ். ஓகே. பாவர்ட்டி அண்ட் கிராஸ் இன்இக்வாலிட்டி, அன்ஜஸ்ட் இன்கம் distribution or land distribution, migration, traditional culture practices, adult unemployment, poor and inadequate education, desire for cheap consumer goods. Child labor is still seen in various parts of the world. Even the developing countries use child labor in various fields, which affects and risks the lives of these small angels who deserve to get educated for a better living. Everyone is aware of the reason behind this social evil, but still no one takes a stand to eradicate from the society. Mitra, what do you see in the picture?
Children are involved in different works at different places.
This is called child labor. This is called child labor. It is illegal to force children below the age of 14 to work. Okay. Children are involved in different works at different places. This is called child labor. Okay. It is illegal force children below the age of 14 to work.
Really? What should we do if we see children working as child labor around us?
Mitra, call the child line number 1098. 1098 10 9 8. Okay, and inform. call the child number 1098 and inform.
Okay, teacher. Can I call this number at any time? How much does it cost?
You can call at any time and it is free of cost. Okay, you can call at any time and it's free of cost. If you see a child labor, talk to him her first. Okay, wherever you are seeing a child labor, talk to him or her first. If they are forced to do the job, you can call the number and inform. Immediately you can call the number and inform. They will come and help the child. Surely they will come and help the child. Okay. The child development process in which someone or something grows and becomes more advanced. Okay. Children, I hope you all understand this lesson. Right to development. Okay. We will meet in next video. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you.